Welcome to Piper and Sawyer's How to Soda Fish show, cooking show.
Okay, so I'm going to shake up this can and we'll see it and we'll see its bladder.
With the carbon dioxide gas that is on the bottom of this Coca-Cola Zero Sugar can. So there's two atoms on the bottom of the can and one CO atom in the can, and put that together, it equals carbon dioxide. So there's carbon dioxide gas, and right now Sawyer is shaking it up as hard as he can.
I think it's good.
And so he's going to face it that way so it doesn't spray anybody if somebody's out here. And so when he opens it, you're going to see the fizz go over there.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
And right there, that is
that wasn't as surprising as I thought.
that is the fizz going out of the bottle. And so when you drink it from the fizz, it turns into gas, and so when it has to go right out of your mouth, and that's how it makes you burp right after.